Mulligan's office. Jimmy's meeting us there.
How are you going to get the money back?
I'll fucking get it.
Are you going to hurt him?
Like, that bastard stole your nana's life savings. An old lady. Remember that when you're feeling Christian. Jesus, come on. What? Hey, do something. Fucking do something. Clear his fucking eyes. Clear up. Fuck. Fucking do it now. Come on. Fucking hell. Go!
Fucking... That's fucking vinegar! What the fuck's he got vinegar for?
You've got to fucking drive! You've got to fucking drive! Listen, fuck, go! If I get fucking pinched before we get there, he's gone forever! Then fucking drive! Go on!
He's in there. Stallone seen him going half an hour ago. He's not been out since.
What he done? Read past that door.
Just let's boot the fucking thing.
Steady on, Detective Cobra. You just call the police and if it's lifted.
Well, he's not going to open it to us, is he?
No. No fucking way. Not again.
Justin, you can do this.
No, you can fuck off. What did you say to me this morning?
I know. I'm sorry. Your dad would have done it. Okay, right. Tom was right. Vinegar is a wonder juice. That'll do. Yeah. Yeah.
Lucy, get up. Get a fucking state of me.
It's fine.
having
It's
a
fine, it's fine. Yeah, look at you. Look up. That's it. Right. Look. Just knock. Say something lawyer-like. When he opens the door, me and Jimmy will do the rest. Go on.
Oh, fuck. Hello. Sorry to bother you. I was just wondering if, do you do mortgages?
Why do what?
Do you do mortgages?
Stop him, tie him, fucking tie him. Fucking, do you do mortgages? How long were you in law school, huh? For sake. Hey, hello, cunt. Remember me? Now don't speak. Don't even fucking say a word. I don't want to hear it.
I'll slash his bust, big man, eh?
Look, maybe I should be getting back to
All right,
the
in a
job,
minute.
yeah?
In a minute. Listen.
We're going on a wee trip today. But first... Fuck! Hello? What? I don't fucking know. Where's Leo? Where? Oh, fuck. There's a guy wanking in the steam bath.
Aye, what?
What's so fuck them of his wank? Oh, he can't come. What, drugs? What's so... Oh, I see. He's not paid for his extra hour machine.
Go on, let me phone Stallone.
Stallone's been up and down like Hale's draws this year. But aye, phone Stallone. Listen, we'll stick it in his tab. Tell him any boy likes to shag his ass, all right? Hello, doll. Aye, I am sending somebody, okay? All right, cheers then. Bye-bye. Where were we? Oh, yeah. You were about to apologise to my fucking mum! Here, put them on this bastard.
Fuck on you.
Hello, Mum. How you doing? Yeah, it's me. Listen, I'm here with Jimmy. Jimmy?
Aye, Mrs. Thompson.
And Justin. Justin, say hello to your Nana.
Hello, Nana.
And guess who else I'm here with? I'm here with little claw-like rodent creature. Say hello, little claw-like rodent creature.
Hello, Mrs. Thompson.
Now, Mum, we're gonna get that wee matter sorted out today, okay? But first, little claw-like rodent creature wants to say a few words to you. Okay? Here he is.
Mrs. Thompson, I'm really, really sorry.
Did you get that, Mum? No? Okay, I will try it again. Here he is.
Mrs. Thompson, I'm very, very sorry.
How about that time? Still no good? Oh, must be the line, eh? Tell you what. Should we try it again?
Mrs. Thompson, I'm extremely, extremely sorry.
Sorry about that, Mum. Yeah. No, I think what he's trying to say is he's very sorry for all the evil he did to you from his ivory tower. What's that? Oh. That'd be lovely. A wee stew at the weekend. Justin, wee stew at the weekend? Yeah, that'd be lovely. Okay, Mum. Love you. Bye-bye. Now, today, we're gonna make things right. You've got everything you need. And my nephew is a qualified lawyer. So no fakes, no forgeries, and no fictitious transfers. You owe me 300 fucking grand! Plus 50 for interest. And 10 for Jimmy and Justin. Oh, and I'll have your car. You see this? This is the fucking mortgage you never paid off. And that's my account. See, when both of them are paid, we might let you go. But you fucked me around. And Jimmy is gonna fucking kill. Fuck! Hello? What? Toxic fucking... Well, who told him to eat fur? Oh, for fuck's sake. Was Stallone not there yet? What about Leo? Well, how's that our fucking fault? I don't care. I don't. Well, so what if he's got lips like Pete Burns? He shouldn't be fucking licking a whore. I mean, who munches a whore's muff, eh? But you do, you prick. Okay, doll, listen. Tell him the complaints department will be back tomorrow. All right? Cheers, okay. Uh-huh. I won't forget. No, don't worry. Agnes, I'm kind of in the middle of something here, okay? What? Okay. Cash and carry. All right. Okay, see you soon. I'll stop by. Bye-bye. Well, wee man. You got to take the van back to the club, huh?
Wait! We need to away to Lesbos for a rug munching holiday. I've got a dog for a fortnight. Go take the dog with you. You could be here a while. Black BM, two in front of the van. Well, come on! It's only a fucking dog!
What's it called?
Saffron Madonna.
Saffron Madonna.
Saffron Madonna!
Oh. Get the van cleaned. Keep your fucking phone on. I might need to ask you some lawyerly shit. And don't forget the cash and carry, eh? Fucking prick.
All right, good girl. Stay there. Stay there. I'll be back.
Where did you get it? Don't fuck me every time. Where did you get it? Eh? Where?
Scoundrel.
The fuck?
Who did you get
The fucking gear from? Off me? Pish. It's wrapped in a copy of Scottish Contact. I deal my grams in lottery tickets. Fucking scoundrel. For the last fucking time!
Hey, pal. Didn't hear you come in. Yeah. You been here long?
Long enough.
Fucking try it. Your fancy books will no help you when I... The fuck's that smell?
Vinegar.
No, I meant the shite off you. You wet bag of piss. Just like your dad, eh? Trying to save the whores. Aye, I heard. She couldn't hack what she was up here, so she ran away.
What is wrong with you? I'm sorry, Justin.
I've got to go to the cash and carry. I don't know where it is. Catch Charlotte if you fancy half an hour. It's on me. I'll be in the van. You're right about my mum. She did run away for herself, but she stayed away from me. And by the looks of her, thank Christ she did. Remember, I need someone to help me.
I just had lunch at that Great Wall of China. Amazing. Ever been there? Amazing. Where are you going on your holidays this year? I'm going to Shagaloof. Well, Magaloof, but I'm getting well shagged. Oh, by the way, see if you ever see me in the street, just ignore me. Well, don't ignore me. You can say hello, but just don't make out you know me. Because I've got a boyfriend. He's in the army or navy or something. He thinks I'm in the civil service.
Civil service.
Ah, you know, chopping carrots and waitressing and that.
Silver service.
Listen, I'm choking in the line. I'm away to see if there's a toilet.
that? Fuck.
The toilet was busy.
Saf! Saffron! Saf! Mad! Maddie! Fuck this. Saffron Madonna! Yeah. Come on. In you get. Why don't you just come off that shit and get a normal job?
I think the answer's in your question.
But you can't be high all the time.
No. I am down.
No. Who?
Hiya. Rab. Yeah, I'm with him now. The cash and carry. Yeah, I will. You've got Jimmy's keys.
Fuck.
You know, I wish you could stay. It really takes the edge off Leo.
Does Leo deal? In the club? Why does my uncle keep him around? The girls all hate him. He's never there, and I know he deals. I've seen him.
I think it's because of his dad.
His dad?
Yes, Jimmy. Jimmy's Leo's dad. Jimmy used to own the club.
What?
After your dad died, your uncle took him on as a partner. Until Jimmy got to jail for dealing, that is. And then Davy stepped in. It was really nice of your uncle to keep Leo on. Jimmy really appreciated it.
Where is that curry munching bastard? Tom! Tom!
Is that him?
Did you see that?
No. No, Tom. What?
Unbelievable.
No, it's all right. I'm in Edinburgh, though, mate.
What's your vinegar? It's got 15 different uses in the car alone.
Here, Hopper.
Hey,
Hey. What way?
The normal way, Tom. None of your fucking shortcuts. Here, you met my nephew, Justin?
Hey, man.
yeah.
Your uncle's been telling me about you. Moving to America.
Yeah.
Where to?
DC, Washington, DC.
Great, man. Just great. I used to keep goats.
So, Jenk of the club? Takes a bit of getting used to, I can see that. But you got to admire Edinburgh for its attitude. The women are safe, warm, and for the most part drug-free, as are the punters. Besides, it saves the neighbourhoods from curb crawlers, pimps, dealers, backseat shaggers. It's got to be a good thing, right?
I know. While I'm here, I've got to be careful.
So how long's it been since you were actually last up?
Too long. Yeah, I hadn't even started secondary school and now I've graduated uni.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Christ. Jim. He's an old pal of your dad's. He's helping sort this shit out with your nana's house. The lawyer we bought it off has either fucked the paperwork or he thinks he can scam us. Either way, he's a... Tom, the fuck are you going? Right, Rod.
Hi, boys.
This is my nephew, Justin. He's going to be staying with me for a few weeks.
He's here for the funeral?
What funeral?
You train, eh? Do you want to come here for a month?
Yes, sounds good, yeah.
Rod will let you work out, eh?
No bother. What sort of things is it you're into?
Fitness.
Fitness. You don't look at much fitness in here.
Listen, does Stallone leave anything for me?
No, the boy dropped it off his cell. Says he waited by the office all morning and nobody turned up.
Sorry about that, Rod. Stupid Polish arse bandit. And, yeah, have lunch on me.
Jim's in. Just got a call off Stallone. Gone mental. Wait in a garage all morning. Eh? Well, tell me to start breaking things up.
It's my nephew, by the way. He's educated. That's Big Tam's laddie.
Big Tam. Eh? Big Tam's laddie. You the wee bastard that pissed up my trouser leg. Eh? I remember your dad, son. What a guy he was. And what a laugh. Fuck. I remember him before he even met your mum. And before your uncle rapped at the club. Way back in the old days. Did they ever tell you the time about the security van?
No.
The army were going to kick him out because of that. You remember that when he was first in? Eh? He comes down to the shop to see me, right? So we're standing outside and I smoke. Not in a way, you know. I think it was just back from Belfast or something. Watching the world go by. And there's this security van parked up across the street, delivering money. So it's a two-man team, one in the back and one delivering. And all he's doing is banging twice in the side of the van when he's ready to pick up. And the money would appear in one of these big swivel things, right? So your dad's parked in behind the van. And as he heads to leave, he looks over at me, looks back, turns around going, bang, side of the van. And by Christ, boy, you used to have seen this. This big bag of money appears. Well, his face, I'll never forget it. Shocked, he was stunned, he was stuck in fucking time, by the way, boy. Tell you, so he squints over at me, squints back, he grabs hold of the money, and take fucking off, head case, man! Running down the street like a body with a dinner ticket. Used to have seen this, boy. Honest. So now he's been chased with these two security guards who are there watching their bonus sprint down the walk with your dad's hands. So I takes off after him. I'm dodging in and out of cars, tramps, buses, fucking dogs, you name it, I'm dodging in and out of it. And just as they grab him, and just before he goes to his knees, he flips it right over his head like a rugby ball. Went into my fucking hands here, boy. You used to have seen this. So now, I'm sprinting off down the walk with this big bag of money. Christ, boy.
So what happened?
I run straight right into a fucking police horse. Eh? What were the chances of that, eh? Celtic playing Hibs at Easter Road that day? The bastards. I got a 21-day lie down for that fucking idiot. Eh? Luckily, the judge, he's seen the funny side of it, eh?
What happened to my dad?
Well, like I said, the army, they were going to kick him out because of that. And they would have, if it wouldn't have been such a bloody good soldier. Die, eh? Big damn. I'm going to tell you something
Listen,
else.
Jimmy, I've been meaning to have a wee word with you. About,
Your mum.
aye.
Do you want me to get my guy at the land registry?
Just in case what he gives me are fakes. Buying himself time to fuck off.
Fuck off. To where, though?
He's got property in Florida. And Christ knows what else he's got squirreled away.
Rob, the US. The one place we can't chase him.
I'll see you all right.
Don't be
Expenses in it.
daft. Can't stomach with that bastard down at Big Tom's mum. See, they get blinded by their own greed. Eh? Don't you worry about a thing. They've got it on computer anyway, and they can't fake that. See you later, kid. Nice meeting you. Maybe you can help me out a couple of weeks down the line, eh? Lawyer shit and that.
Property developer.
drug dealer, more like. My dad used to love telling that story.
Oh, it's a great face for radio, eh?
By the way, he is one successful drug dealer. He just got himself one of the 360 Spiders. Came one of the fancy Ferraris. I seen him driving down Princes Street with it yesterday. With a big fucking 4x2 sticking out the window. Obviously on his way back to the site, so... Can you imagine their faces when he pulls up in that?
Man of the people, huh?
Well,
Why is it every time pond scum like us grows legs and makes a few quid, we're still hell-bent being one of the boys, eh? Next you would tell me stuck a fucking roof rack on top of it.
and a tow bar in the back.
See you later.
See you later, pal. Cheers, buddy.
So you get a handbrake fixed. When'd you take it in?
I done it myself. Coat hangers.
A while back, your nana wanted a retirement flat. One of those service departments with someone on call in case they take ill or fall in the bath. Just so happened that a pal of mine, this lawyer, has been getting his arse scalped at the club for years, owned the whole block of them. 20 odd. We didn't need a mortgage, so we bought one off him outright. And him being a lawyer, he did all the paperwork for free.
So, what's happened?
Business has been difficult this past year. The council's been hijacked by some fucking Jesus guy who's putting the squeeze in their licence conditions. Extra tax, rates, loop fees, the lot. Throwing everything at us because he can't shut me down. So your nana applied for a mortgage, a loan to keep us afloat until things settled down. But it was denied. Denied because there's already a 300 grand mortgage on it.
He took your cash, but then never paid off his own loan.
I went to see him last week, he assured me it's a mistake. Even took me to the land registry while I ordered the certificates, which have yet to arrive.
Nana. That's why she's so down. She must be gutted.
You're broken. Imagine. You work your whole life to find everything you've earned and taken away from you. He's bitten off more than he can chew property-wise. Taking out loan after loan in the equities. Now he's spunked a lot. It's caught over a barrel. All right, son, been in the sauna?
Nah, just...
Strung over a barra.
Nah, it was just...
Oh. Jimmy. Okay. Still no word. Who, Justin? Aye. I don't see why not, aye. Be good at that. All right. Right. Me and you jump out here. You and Tom want to go to the cash and carry?
I can't, I've got something on. We're fine till tomorrow, though.
Sure. What about wank magic?
Well, that's my pal now. I've seen a bit.
Oh, wait. Do you have word with Sheena?
Aye, I told her.
Make sure she knows. No gear in the club. Anytime, anyone. Make sure they all fucking know.
What's happening tomorrow? What?
Come on in.
Hey! I see. That's why you're perfect. The minute I'm in a suit, it looks like my coat for the day. But you, well, you're the part.
It's all right. It's nothing illegal.
Illegal? Unethical?
Ethnical away to fuck. The pricks for Dundee.
Look, we own the land. Just say you're moving here with a new bird from America. You want a new build. You want to be involved in the furnishings at the planning stage. You know what these American birds are like, eh?
What? They like soft furnishings?
Look, he's going to pay us for it anyway. He'll just pay a wee bit earlier if he thinks he's got a buyer.
You mean he'll only buy it from you if he thinks he's got to buy it?
Exactly.
So, see what we can do with it, deal.
What can you do with it?
Fuck all. It's the worst plot of land in Western Europe. That's why we've given it to him.
Come on, be a fucking salesman here. Your father could sell shite to flies, and Nana need to make a few quid after what's happened. So come on, do it for her. As soon as he's paid, you can withdraw your offer. Good laddie. Your father'll be proud of you.
Take it, okay? I'll show you what I think in terms of the so, your kitchen window would be here, and your front door here. And we plan to put 2 properties onto this plot, but I can make yours a yard or so wider. Now over here, this would be your back garden. Your girlfriend's American?
Yeah.
I love that country. Never been like, but I love it. And what do you do?
I'm just out of uni.
Oh, educated, right. Okay, in what?
Human rights.
Oh yeah, what's that then?
Well, it can be anything really. You know, even security studies, you know, post 9/11.
Yeah, security, yeah, my cousin's into that.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, he does the doors up at the volcano. He didn't need to go to university for that though. I just want to work in management. Yeah. Now I should say that we've had other interests, so you're going to have to think fast.
Oh, have you now?
Yeah. Your girlfriend, she likes to cook, does she?
You did good, kid. Jimmy says to give you a ride on him.
All right. Where to?
Leo calls it my pound of mince.
Come on, son, pick somebody. It's on Jimmy. Been here before?
Aye. VIP room. Half an hour. Big Agnes.
Yes, sir. And your name?
John.
Okay, John.
Have you had your treat yet?
No, not yet.
Come on. Come with me.
It's not a credit service. Use it or lose it. No 2 shags carrying this game, pal.
Aye. Where are you from?
Glicky.
Glecky.
Glicky.
Glecky? No. Where are you from? £55? No. Where are you from?
Glasgow.
Ah, Glasgow. Scoundrel? Me?
John. 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 I'll run through who's available, shall I? Right. I've got Charlie, Sheena, and Senga. She's just became available after a cancellation. There's Swee, who you've met. There's Kaz, who's up in a minute. And that's about it.
Look, you're very pretty, but
But what?
look, let's just hang for half an hour and you can claim Jimmy's cash.
Yeah, doll. That's for you.
I'll see you next week, and I'll bring the perfumes, I promise you.
Hang and do what?
I don't know. Have a cup of tea.
Don't do me any favours.
That was quick. Listen, pal, if you drop anchor in Pooh Bay, then we can accommodate. Raphael comes in once a week for Spit Roast Sunday.
He's asking if you suck cock. Do you?
No.
Back to work then, Benson. Your own towels.
Oh, yes. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get some of this juicy pussy. You bring your cock up here, darling. Why, that's it. Get it deep now. Get it deep.
Oh, ready for a fuck, John? Eh? Ready for a fuck? Oh, yes, John. You like a bit of the S, John? Oh, not so much inside, John.
I'm sorry about up there. I'm so used to being... I'm Charlotte, by the way. I'm not disturbing you, am I?
No. No. I'm just doing laundry. Charlotte, that's your real name?
In my head, I know where Charlie stops and Charlotte starts, but it's hard not to see every man as a John. So what do you think of the place?
Well, more purgatory than paradise. But I'm just passing through.
There's worse than here.
There is?
Shit, yeah. We close at 10 sharp. There's a couple up in town that stay open till 4. Come one on a Friday night, there's a line right round the block. Like the first day of Harrod sale it is.
That's a lot of...
Hard-ons. Drunk hard-ons at that.
Yeah. Jesus.
That's only half of it. The owners are shits.
Shits, why?
You just are. So, what about you? You've not been up for a while, I was hearing.
No, it's a shame.
How? Do you mind talking about it?
No, no, it's just... I didn't expect to be sitting here discussing it, that's all. It's just that after my dad died, my mum met this lawyer and we moved down south. So between her grief and his dislike of all things Edinburgh, that is the family business, I was never encouraged to come back north.
How old were you when he died?
Young. I was only 8. Old enough to know, though.
Know what?
Well, stuff. You know, it was sudden. One minute he was there, the next he wasn't.
I'm sorry. Mine died too. Though I was still a babe.
I'm sorry.
You can't miss someone you've never known. I've always liked the idea of having a dad.
You feel safe?
Yeah. You feel safe. I never had a stepdad. Well, I had a lot of stepdads, if you know what I mean. Aye, my mum was no stranger to a cock. I'm a student, you know.
You are?
Yeah, I'm at college, studying to be a midwife.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it's good, eh? I'd love to be a doctor, but I never had the grades. Or the brains.
So, how long you got left?
Well, a wee bit. I haven't been there much this year, you know. Some things get in the way. But I'm gonna go back next year for definite.
Charlie!
let you get back to your laundry. Charlie's got to work.
Look, Mum, I told you. We'll get it sorted out, all right? I promise. Look, you're gonna be all right, okay? Morning. Tea? Coffee? Curry? Jesus. In 3 months, I've never beat him. Not once. I've even stuck fucking dog food in it, but by Christ, he just laps this shit down.
Don't tell me you give that to...
Mum, can you get that for us? Mum, doorbell. Sweet old dear, eh?
Of course she is.
Took her a long time to get over the death of your dad. You don't expect to bury your kids.
As long as it took for her to like my mum.
Hey. She was very fond of your mum in the end. They just rubbed each other the wrong way to begin with. Strong personalities, eh? Yeah. What do you think of, nice guy, off his fucking head, but nice. Heart of gold. He'd do anything for you.
So, how come he's, mental?
Acid. He went window tripping. He's not been right since.
Window tripping?
Stuck 2 Abbey Roads under each eyelid.
Shit. He's not come down since?
Nope. And that was 1972.
I've been thinking about it. If we go the back way, we can shave at least, 5 to 7 minutes of getting into town. Yeah, really. I've been thinking. Maybe even 10 minutes.
Oh, relax, Sterling. Christ, for a man with nowhere to go, you're sure in a hurry to get there. Listen, you have a good feed. It's a rugby weekend. We're going to be busy. The French are in town.
Do you ken why your uncle has a driver?
Because he lost his licence?
Aye. But do you ken how he lost his licence? Because of some rubbish.
Hey, it wasn't because of some rubbish. It was Gimpy fucking Ross.
Oh, well, that was the first time.
I know I'm going to regret this, but who's Gimpy Ross?
It's about a year ago. Me and Connie, this wee dolly bird I was seeing at the time, We're in the house, having a wee relaxing drink and a smoke, So a couple of bottles of wine, 2 jengies later, we're up the stairs Greco-Roman style, right? And I hear this fucking banging coming from the wee lane where I parked the van. So I've jumped up to see some bastard fingering the van doors. So here, I'm fucking tearing down the stairs in these fucking pyjama bottoms with fucked elastic. I've grabbed this Irish shillelagh off the wall, right? And I fucking head down after him. But by the time I get there, the bastards looked up, heard Connie screaming, and bolted. So I'm fucking tearing after him down the street, right? Jammy's licking my knees, fucking tackle out. Willie's slapping off my fucking legs. I'm heading after him, right? And I'm swiping at his legs with my granddad shillelagh. Fuck. And by Christ, I hit one. And his fucking leg comes off. So he hits the fucking ground. I'm poking, wrestling with him in the dark, you know? And these headlights hit us. And it's the police. Well, luckily for me, it was a copper that comes in here. He's been done loads of times, you know? So he grabs this bastard, throws him in the back of the Panda, and then I realise, hey, that's Gimpy fucking Ross. The local thief with the wooden leg. So anyway, he's in the back. Me and Dirty Harry are pissing ourselves laughing, right? So he's saying to me, you know, Rob, when I come round that corner and I seen yous two, I didn't know whether you were trying to fight him or fuck him. So about an hour later, I'm back in the house, relaxing, having a wee calm down drink and a smoke with Connie, and I suddenly remember his fucking leg. I mean, you can't have the poor soul in fucking cells all night with only one leg. I used to know his father way back. So I've gone back out, found the leg, shoved it in my motor, and I've driven up to the police station. It's only about a mile away up the road.
Aye. That'll teach you to be a good Samaritan.
So you got done on the way up? Drink driving?
Aye, wearing nothing but a pair of cordless fucking pyjama bottoms with a wooden leg in the front seat.
Aye, but tell him what you did with it.
I'd put its seatbelt on.
So you got arrested?
He got a 6-month ban.
I spent a night in the same fucking cell as Gimpy Ross.
Well, that was last year.
Huh? What'd I tell you? Educated. Right. About 5 months later, me and Jimmy are out in a bender, you know? He just got released from the jail, so you can imagine the fucking state we're in come 8 in the morning. You probably get the same in London, right? Up here, you're supposed to put your rubbish in these fucking wheelie bins, you know? But because they're a bunch of lazy bastards, unless your bin is actually on the pavement, they won't pick it up. So, if your bin is, say, 2 feet up your driveway or in your front garden, you've got stinking rubbish festering for a week. And in the summer, that's brutal. Twice this has happened already. So when I look out the window that morning to see the van disappearing up the road and my rubbish still sitting there, I'd had fucking enough. But I'm still banned, aren't I? So I've wrapped this Arabian shemag around my head, shoved on a pair of sunglasses and a combat jacket as a disguise. I've got all the rubbish, piled it into the back of Jimmy's Range Rover, and fucking tore off after him.
How far did you get?
Not that far. As far as 2 police cars, a fucking farmer's ditch in a cornfield. And I just remember, as I looked up from my crumpled bonnet, with steam rising and a face full of dirt, and seeing the police streaming down from the Golan Heights, I heard this voice. All right, Yasser, the struggle's over. Out the fucking motor. Oh, aye. Yous can all fucking laugh, eh? But now I'm banned, and I've got Sinbad as a driver. You know what? I don't blame your mother for keeping you away. This is no life for you. I certainly wouldn't want it for any son of mine. Any arse can do this. Any fucking arse. Come on, Davy. Let's get going. It's D-Day today. Got to see Jimmy's man at a land place. All right, then. Jack and Ori's over. Chop, chop. Fucking work time.
Cheers.
Right, I'll day you. I'll day you. I'll day you. I'm not daying you. We're sitting in a bucket of ice and I'm on a double shift. Oh, help me. Come on, you big frog-eating soldier. Help keep me airtight. Come on! Time is money! Money is fanny!
Hey, Uncle Rab. Who? Yeah, he's in with Senga. No, I never saw him. He went in before I came on the desk. Yeah, it sounds like it. Yeah, I will. Leo is out. Sure. Okay. Do you, So, been busy? Oh, God, I didn't mean... Sorry, Look, are you okay?
My baby's ill.
Your baby?
It's just a cold. It's nothing to worry about, but
You've got a kid?
I just get so worried after my first one died last year.
Oh, Jesus. Hello, the Paradise. Yep. Yeah, we've got 6 on today. Yeah, we are. Do we do what? What? Hard sports. What are hard sports? I'm sorry, I don't even know what that is. And that's a sex thing? No, we... Oh, yep, it appears we do that. All right. What? I don't get it.
You've never heard of hard sports before? Well, the water sports are, you know. Then hard sports have to be like you're educated. Think about it.
It's when Sheena takes a big steaming shite in your face.
You really are funny, Justin. Can you not stay? Come on and be a lawyer here instead.
You know, I'd love to, but,
Right, Kaz, time for our first rollabout. My cock in your ass. Down the stairs now.
No, you can't.
What?
You can't. Rab's been on the phone. The lawyer's in with Senga.
Fuck that. Move.
Where is he?
Fucking bitch! Marjorie, you fucking bastard! Yeah? Think! You get 3 fucking days to pay what fucking owed! And I'll chop your fucking hands off!
Bring your fucking training gear. Oh, fuck. Where is he now? Tom! Tom! Listen, I'm sorry you had to see that. It's got a lot on my mind just now, eh?
Why does he do it? Playing with fire like that? Messing you about but still coming in? It's like he's baiting you.
Sadomasochism, kid. Sado-fucking-masochism. Only my dungeon's the real world.
Look.
Oh, fuck's sake, he's not hiding in doorways again, is he? See, sometimes men in suits can become detached, delusional, prolonging a process so they can play their fucking games. Oi!
Did you hear that? Crazy. Just crazy. You guys ready to go, are you?
Get in the van, you fucking freak.
All right,
See, it's not a game to your players if they know they're getting shot at the final whistle, eh? Jimmy! Aye, I got him. Thanks for that. Listen, I was thinking, can you get one of your laddies to tail him? 3 days, that's how long I've given him. Who? Aye, he'll do. Cheers. Stallone. Move up. Let's go!
John. Yeah. Right. Come on, David. Come on, Davey. You lot make me angry. Come on. Come on, David, let's go. Well, let's get some power. Make me angry! Power's what we need! Power's what we'll get! Come on!
Come on, you bloody pal.
Come on, make me angry!
You birds a fucking munter!
Morning, kids. How you feeling? Yeah. There's no way he's eating that. Ringstein. Got it in the net. Yeah. Bud's a munter. Fucking belter. How's your mouth? Mum! Mum, gonna get that for us! Mum!
Look, Uncle Rab, it's not that I don't appreciate you giving me the chance to get my jump wings before going back to civilization.
Whoa, Crockett. Where's Tubbs? Yeah. Listen, son. I know. I'm sorry. From now on, nothing heavier than the till job. All right?
Yeah, I'm going to a business seminar this afternoon.
Tom, you don't have a business. Stallone, how's it going? No difference between a garage and an office yet, eh? Aye. I'm just pulling you. When? And you're sure, eh? Right. All right, make sure you tell Jimmy, eh? He's doing a Lord looking. Come on.
No, what about my breakfast?
Put it in a fucking box, come on!
Your best shortcut, Tom, but don't be fucking killing us. We'll drop you off at the club to open up a Leo. Then, Tom, on to Lord Lucan's office. Jimmy's meeting us there.
How are you gonna get the money back?
I'll fucking get it.
Are you gonna hurt him?
Like, that bastard stole your nana's life savings. An old lady. Remember that when you're feeling Christian. Jesus, come on! What? Hey, do something! Fucking do something! Clear his fucking eyes! Clear up! Fuck! Fucking do it now! Come on! Fucking hell! Go! Fucking... That's fucking vinegar! What the fuck's he got vinegar for? You've got to fucking drive! You've got to fucking drive! Listen! Fuck! Go! If I get fucking pinched before we get there, he's gone forever! Now fucking drive! Go on!
He's in there. Stallone seen him go in half an hour ago. He's not been out since.
What he done? Read past that door.
Just let's boot the fucking thing.
Steady on, Detective Cobra. You just call the police and if it's lifted.
Well, he's not going to open it to us, is he?
No. No fucking way. Not again.
Justin, you can do this.
No, you can fuck off. What did you say to me this morning?
I know. I'm sorry. Your dad would have done it. Tom was right. Vinegar is a wonder juice. That'll do. Yeah.
Lucy, get up. Get a fucking state of me.
It's fine.
having
It's
a
fine,
laugh?
it's fine. Yeah, look at you. Look up. That's it. Right. Look. Just knock. Say something lawyer-like. When he opens the door, me and Jimmy will do the rest. Go on.
Oh, fuck. Hello. Sorry to bother you. I was just wondering if, do you do mortgages?
Do I do what?
Do you do mortgages?
Get on there. Stop him, tie him, fucking tie him.
Fucking, do you do mortgages? How long were you at law school, huh? Sake. Hey, hello, cunt. Remember me? Now don't speak. Don't even fucking say a word. I don't want to hear it.
I'll slash his bus, big man, eh?
Look, maybe I should be getting back to
All right,
the
in a
club,
minute.
yeah?
In a minute. Listen, we're going on a wee trip today. But first, fuck! Hello? What? I don't fucking know. Where's Leo? Where? Oh, fuck. There's a guy wanking in the steam bath. What? What's so fucked him of his wank? Oh, he can't come? What, drugs? What's so... Oh, I see. He's not paid for his extra hour with Sheena.
Oh, go on, let me phone Stallone.
Stallone's been up and down like Hales draws this year. But aye, phone Stallone. Listen, we'll stick it in his tab. Tell him any boy likes to shag his ass, all right? Hello, doll. Hi. I am sending somebody, okay? All right, cheers then. Bye-bye.
Where were we? Oh, yeah. You were about to apologise to my fucking mum! Here, put them on this bastard. Fuck on you.
Hello, Mum. How you doing? Yeah, it's me. Listen, I'm here with Jimmy. Jimmy?
Hi, Mrs. Thompson.
And Justin. Justin, say hello to your Nana.
Hello, Nana.
And guess who else I'm here with? I'm here with little claw-like rodent creature. Say hello, little claw-like rodent creature.
Hello, Mrs. Thompson.
Now, Mum, we're gonna get that wee matter sorted out today, okay? But first, little claw-like rodent creature wants to say a few words to you. Okay? Here he is.
Mrs. Thompson, I'm really, really sorry.
Did you get that, Mum? No? Okay, I will try it again. Here he is.
Mrs. Thompson, I'm very, very sorry.
How about that time? Still no good? Oh, must be the line, eh? Tell you what. Should we try it again?
Mrs. Thompson, I'm extremely, extremely sorry.
Sorry about that, Mum. Yeah. No, I think what he's trying to say is he's very sorry for all the evil he did to you from his ivory tower. What's that? Oh. That'd be lovely. A wee stew at the weekend. Justin, wee stew at the weekend? Yeah, that'd be lovely. Okay, Mum. Love you. Bye-bye. Now, today, we're gonna make things right. You've got everything you need. And my nephew is a qualified lawyer. So no fakes, no forgeries, and no fictitious transfers. You owe me 300 fucking grand! Plus 50 for interest. And 10 for Jimmy and Justin. Oh, and I'll have your car. You see this? This is the fucking mortgage you never paid off. And that's my account. See, when both of them are paid, we might let you go. But you fucked me around. And Jimmy is gonna fucking kill. Fuck! Huh? Hello? What? Toxic fucking. Well, who told him to eat fur? Oh, for fuck's sake. Was Stallone not there yet? What about Leo? Well, how's that our fucking fault? I don't care. I don't. Well, so what if he's got lips like Pete Burns? He shouldn't be fucking licking a whore. I mean, who munches a whore's muff, eh? But you do, you prick. Okay, doll, listen. Tell him the complaints department will be back tomorrow. All right? Cheers, okay. Uh-huh. I won't forget. No, don't worry. Agnes, I'm kind of in the middle of something here, okay? What? Okay. Cash and carry. All right. Okay, see you soon. I'll stop by. Bye-bye. Well, wee man. You got to take the van back to the club, huh?
Wait! When he's away to Lesbos for a rug munching holiday, I've got a dog for a fortnight. Go take the dog with you. But you could be here a while. Black BM, two in front of the van. Oh, come on! It's only a fucking dog!
What's it called?
Saffron Madonna.
Saffron Madonna?
Saffron Madonna!
Oh. Get the van cleaned. Keep your fucking phone on. I might need to ask you some lawyerly shit. And don't forget the cash and carry, eh? Fuck.
All right, good girl. Stay there. Stay there. I'll be back.
Where did you get it? Don't fuck me every time. Where did you get it? Eh? Where?
Scoundrel.
The fuck?
Who did you get
your fucking gear from? Off me? Pish. It's wrapped in a copy of Scottish Contact. I deal my grams in lottery tickets. Fucking scoundrel. For the last fucking time!
Hey, pal. Didn't hear you come in. Yeah. You been here long?
Long enough.
Fucking try it. Your fancy books will no help you when I... The fuck's that smell?
Vinegar.
No, I meant the shite off you. You wet bag of piss. Just like your dad, eh? Trying to save the whores. Aye, I heard. She couldn't hack what she was up here, so she ran away.
What is wrong with you? I'm sorry, Justin.
I've got to go to the cash and carry. I don't know where it is. Catch Charlotte if you fancy half an hour. It's on me. I'll be in the van. You're right about my mum. She did run away for herself, but she stayed away from me. And by the looks of her, thank Christ she did. Remember, I need someone to help me.
I just had lunch at that Great Wall of China. Amazing. Ever been there? Amazing. Where are you going on your holidays this year? I'm going to Shagaloof. Well, Magaloof, but I'm getting well shagged. Oh, by the way, see if you ever see me in the street, just ignore me. Well, don't ignore me. You can say hello, but just don't make out you know me. Because I've got a boyfriend. He's in the army or navy or something. He thinks I'm in the civil service.
Civil service?
Ah, you know, chopping carrots and waitressing and that.
Silver service.
Listen, I'm choking in the line. I'm away to see if there's a toilet.
Fuck.
The toilet was busy.
Saf! Saffron! Saf! Mad! Maddie! Fuck this. Saffron Madonna! Yeah. Come on. In you get. Why don't you just come off that shit and get a normal job?
I think the answer's in your question.
But you can't be high all the time.
No. I am down.
No.
Hiya. Rab. Yeah, I'm with him now. The cash and carry. Uh-huh. Yeah, I will. You've got Jimmy's keys. You know, I wish you could stay. It really takes the edge off Leo.
Does Leo deal? In the club? Why does my uncle keep him around? The girls all hate him. He's never there, and I know he deals. I've seen him.
I think it's because of his dad.
His dad?
Yes, Jimmy. Jimmy's Leo's dad. Jimmy used to own the club.
What?
After your dad died, your uncle took him on as a partner. Until Jimmy got to jail for dealing, that is. And then Davy stepped in. It was really nice of your uncle to keep Leo on. Jimmy really appreciated it.
Jimmy, stay with us just now, eh? Just in case.
Where to?
Well, Jim, then I'm choking a protein shake.
Fuck's sake, it's Daly Thompson. No, it's Weekly fucking Thompson. Oh, hop in, lassie. Oh, isn't that nice, eh? One big happy family.
Yeah, the Adams.
Fuck, I need a protein.
Oh, I need that gas mask.
I need a line.
I need a curry.
Yeah, I need to get out of here. Hello? Yeah, this is him. Mr. Firestone, how are you? Yeah, you know, keeping out of trouble.
I'm choking a protein shake.
Listen, sorry about the radio. Let me turn that off. Hi. Yeah. Taking it easy, you know, seeing the family. Okay. Well, great. Look, thank you. Yeah, I will. Okay. And you, yeah. Bye then.
Good news, kid?
My visa's been processed. I'm good to go.
Hey, that's great, eh? This law stuff means a lot to you, eh?
This is my life.
Well, I'm proud of you. Your dad had been chuffed to bits.
That's right, son, your father would have been well chuffed to see his laddie make something of himself. Any arse can be a thug. Cut it, you!
So when you thinking of heading?
As soon as. I think I've ridden my luck long enough up here.
Right. We'll make it the end of the month drinks tonight you're leaving to, all right?
I'm bailing out the shipwreck of your life with just one shoe. My hull is springing leaks, she got rammed in 1982. Living like a leper took its toll on my crew. Now tell me what's a lonely navigator got to do to get free? 'Cause you got one over on me. You evaded his story, but you planted one tree.
Saffron. 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 Fucking date dog. Saffron Madonna.
Do you want us to wait for you?
No, I'm picking up my bag anyway.
What about him? Can I let him go there now?
Yeah, don't worry about him. The boys will take care of him.
Listen, Jimmy. Thanks, eh? Couldn't done it without you.
Hey, who looked after my laddie while I was eating porridge, eh?
Leo. All right, pal. Aye, all's good. Listen, make sure everyone knows about drinks tonight, eh? Aye, even the girls in the day shift. That's Justin's leaving do. Eh? Aye. I know yet, but it's being processed. He's away tomorrow. All right. You get a wee fan club on the go there. Did you know that?
Listen, I wanted to have a word with you about Leo.
Leo? What?
Yeah. Do you know that...
Listen, sorry. Hi, Davey, how you doing? What's up? I told you, didn't I? I told you. Well, I told you. Employ a plumber with the DTs, and of course the fittings are going to leak. Well, he's a piss cunt, isn't he? If he fell in the bath, I'd throw in my washing. But what's that got to do with me? Look, it's a laddie's last day, and I'm... Uh-huh. All right. Right, okay. All right, 5 minutes. Listen, pal, I'm gonna have to duck out here. One of our flats has sprung a leak in some of a sunbed shop, huh? Here. You grab a cab back to the house, get a shower, and we'll see you at the club for closing, huh? Get a good drink tonight to celebrate.
Now tell me what's a lonely navigator got to do to get me? You got one over, get free. You evaded his story. Come plant me one tree in the inner Hebrides to flame our bones of all that's gone. To flame our bones of old songs. Bird in the sky. Bird in the sky.
I thought me and you might have a chat.
Where is everybody?
Your uncle won't be here till 11. Sal let the girls go to the pub. You know, being a good manager and that.
Nah, you're not a manager. You're a fucking bully. Nothing more. I don't care who your dad is, mate. You fucked it. As soon as my uncle hears about your dealing, you're out of here.
I was afraid you were going to say that.
I'm not scared of you.
No. What about your visa? Scared of losing that?
Fuck off.
Aye. We got all sorts in here, you know that? Lawyers, doctors, bricklayers, even fucking Americans. Moral turpitude is a legal concept in the United States that refers to conduct considered contrary to community standards of justice, honesty, or good morals. It is of great importance for immigration purposes, as only those offences which are defined as involving moral turpitude are considered bars to immigration. Offences like blackmail, extortion, robbery, assault, kidnapping, mayhem, prostitution, pandering. That's been a pimp to stupid people like me. And conspiracy. Fuck. I'm no fancy lawyer like you. But I reckon you've ticked most of these boxes just today. If you ruin my life, I will ruin yours.
Clever boy. We've got no fucking proof.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, the fucking camera. You fucking bastard.
Sure am. I know that. Now, you gonna give a dealer a deal? And by the way, camera's now turned off, just in case you want.
Fuck!
You got a fucking deal. I'm out of here by tomorrow anyway. But if you fuck with me while I'm gone, you okay? But you said we're alone. You okay? You've been sniffing.
I'm okay. Please, just go.
Come here! Oh, you fucking ass! You fucking bitch! Please, no!
Oni rozlali pierwszą krew, nie ja.
I know what we call a home's modelled on the Empire of Rome. Cram us into a rabbit box, keep your head down, fasten all of your loxes. Where did you go? My blood, my own. Into the great not coming back, hereafter flown, the wild unknown. In times of change, the wax and wane, sun return to bring new life again. I'm changing, I'm a beggar, I am hollow. Spare no thought for the morrow. We arrived on a little ledge, trying to carve a timeless wedge. Get up in the morning, sometimes clean, most times leave it, lest I get too keen. I should surely know, death doesn't grow, and certain things don't magically arise. Sometimes they do, most in my dreams. They who won't change their tax on shame, live in the darkness, feeding off of the lame. I'd change it, I know you know that I can't follow. Spare no thought for the morrow. Met a man straight off the farm, his body was bigger than his arms. I was calm in his presence, he was worldly, I was present tense. He was my past in front of me, buttoned into a frame, so full of life, we were the same. Upped out the game, stopped trying to tame me. Pin it all in a book from far away. I will say I am hungry, but I can't swallow. Spare no thought for the morrow.